So today I'm about to show you how to fix Hytale required OpenGL function is not available, step by step. This issue usually happens because of missing OpenGL compatibility or incorrect system time settings. I'll walk you through the exact fix that works for most users. Right? Let's get started. First thing you need to do is open your browser and go to Google. From here, search for OpenCL, OpenGL, and Vulkan compatibility pack. Click on the result that opens the Microsoft Store page. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to download or install, and go ahead and install it. After the installation is complete, go to your settings. From here, click on time and language, then go to date and time. Make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically are both turned on. Next, scroll down and look for the additional settings, then click sync now to resync your system time. Once that's done, restart your PC, then try launching Hytale again. And that's it. That's how you fix Hytale required OpenGL function is not available step by step. If this helped you out, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.